Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and practical DIY project, installing synthetic grass. Whether you want a maintenance-free lawn or a green space for your kids and pets, synthetic grass is a great option. Let's get started. 1. Tools and materials needed. Make sure you have everything ready before you start to make the process as smooth as possible. 2. Preparing the ground. Begin by clearing the area of any existing grass, rocks, and debris. Use a shovel to dig out a few inches of soil, creating a flat and even surface. Once the area is clear, use a rake to level the ground. A smooth base ensures your synthetic grass looks natural and stays in place. 3. Installing the weed barrier. Roll out the weed barrier fabric over the prepared ground. Secure it with stakes or landscape pins to keep it in place. This step helps maintain your synthetic grass by preventing unwanted plants from coming through. 4. Adding the base layer. Now, we'll add a base layer of sand or gravel. Spread a few inches of sand or gravel evenly over the weed barrier. Use a rake to distribute it and then compact it with a compactor or hand tamper. And so, a well-compacted base layer is essential for a smooth and even surface for your synthetic grass. 5. Laying the synthetic grass. Unroll the synthetic grass over the base, ensuring the grain of the grass fibers all face the same direction for a uniform look. Use a utility knife to trim the edges of the grass to fit the area perfectly. Make sure to leave a little extra on the edges to secure it properly. 6. Securing the grass. Use stakes or landscape pins to anchor the grass around the edges and seams. Space them about 6 inches apart to ensure the grass stays in place. Securing the grass prevents it from shifting and keeps it looking great for years to come. 7. Adding infill and brushing. Spread a layer of infill, such as silica sand or rubber granules, over the synthetic grass. This helps the grass blades stand up and provides cushioning. Use a broom to brush the grass against the grain, distributing the infill evenly and making the grass look more natural. And there you have it, your beautiful, low-maintenance synthetic grass lawn. With a little effort, you can transform your outdoor space into a green oasis. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more DIY tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy landscaping!